Hello guys, welcome to your 6th HTML5 tutorial. In this video we'll be making or creating tables. So let's start. To make a table or to create a table in HTML5 document, we have to use the table tag. So let's just write table, and now I want to create a row. To do that, let's create tr tag, that is stands for table row. And to create each row we have to use our tr tag. When we have finished with one row we have to use another tr tag. Okay, so inside that tr tag let's write th tag, that stands for table heading. Firstly we want to create a heading, so let's say month, and let's create another heading th, and let's date it to savings. So I want to create a table of monthly savings. Okay, now I'm done with one row. Let's create another row, and let me just give some space here so it will be easy to understand. Okay, now we're done with the headings. Now we have to input data. So to input data we have to use the td tag. Inside the t tag let's write January, and in January month I have saved say $100. Okay, we are done with this row also. Let's create another row. This is the last one, and inside that again let's write td for table data, and let's write March, and in March I have saved say $30. Okay, nice. And now let's save it, reload it. You can see this is my table. It doesn't look good. We have to do the boxing thing. Basically the boxing thing is a CSS property. I do not usually show CSS thing in my videos, but I have to do it now because without the boxing the table is not a table. So go to a head tag, write style, okay, sorry, okay, inside the style write table, comma th, comma td. What will it do? It will basically select the table tag, the table header tag, and the table data tags. So, and what will it do? Use a parenthesis or curly brackets, then inside it let's write border, and let's just give the border 1 pixel. The border will be solid and it will be black color. Okay, now save it, reload it. You can see we have this borders around it. Now there are two lines we can see and it doesn't look good, so let's just get rid of the second line. So let's just write border collapse, and just write collapse. It will collapse the border and there will be only one line seen. Yes, we have only one line, so it's very small. Let's just do one thing. Go to table tag, inside is let's write style, and let's set the width to 50%, so it will cover half of the page. Okay, nice. Now it looks good. Now what I want to do, I want to set the headings to the left. I want to align the headings to the left, so to do that select th for table heading, use the curly brackets. Inside that let's write text align left. It's very easy, so you can just play with it and save it, reload it. Yes, it goes to that one. Now suppose someone gave me $50 more in the month of January and I didn't spend that and I saved it. So what I can do, I can just actually add 100 and plus 50, or I can create another column and it will just separate these two. So let's create another column here, so the column will not affect this one but it will be here. So let's go to savings, and here let's use an attribute called column span. We want to span the column for the saving header. So for this one, this is the saving header, and we want to expand this one. So go to the header tag for savings. Inside the column span write 2, and go to the January, and let's write another data td, and let's say and someone gave me $50. Save it, load it. You can see we have this another column came up and it's separated. Okay, now let's say we want to do the same thing for March. So you will just go here and simply add TD tag, and let's write someone gave me $60. Okay, save it, reload it. You can see now in the month of January and in the month of March we have these two columns. So now let's give a description about the table. To do that, go to the table tag and just write content, and let's say monthly savings. Oh, make sure you spell it right. Save it, reload it. Yes, we have this monthly saving came up here. Okay, so basically that's all for the table thing. Stay tuned with Cratcode. In the next video I'll be talking about links and how to use image and other stuffs.